Welcome to Product Critique, the place where we break down the most unique and creative products you can find online. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best scroll invitation rod set you can get your hands on right now. The Makevivi 2PC's blank scrolls paper with wood rods. Let's begin with the first impression. The moment you see this scroll, it feels like it was pulled out of an ancient castle or Renaissance fair. The scrolls are beautifully wrapped around rustic wooden rods, giving them an authentically vintage vibe. Whether you're planning a themed wedding, writing heartfelt vows, creating a cosplay prop, or setting up for a holiday party, this scroll delivers on both elegance and charm. Now let's talk about what you get. This set includes 2 high-quality scrolls. Each one is crafted from paper that has a vintage style, aged appearance on both sides. It's not just a light sepia tint, the texture and design look convincingly like antique parchment, making it perfect for everything from love letters to treasure maps. The dimensions are also worth noting. When unrolled, the scroll measures about 7.5 inches wide and 31.5 inches long, giving you ample space for creative writing, calligraphy, or illustrations. The wooden stick that holds the paper runs between 9 and 9.5 inches from end to end, providing a sturdy frame and adding a touch of authentic craftsmanship. One thing I was particularly impressed with is the paper quality. It's thick enough that ink from pens or markers won't bleed through. That makes it incredibly versatile, whether you're using a ballpoint pen, fountain pen, or even doing light watercolor work. This scroll handles it beautifully. Let's consider the possible use cases. Picture this. You're hosting a Renaissance-themed event. These scrolls can be invitations, seating charts, or even menu cards. Planning a wedding? Write your vows on them and roll them into your ceremony for a romantic and timeless feel. Kids' party? Turn them into treasure maps for a pirate scavenger hunt. Or maybe you're putting together a Christmas Santa list with a vintage North Pole twist. The options are endless. Another detail that stands out is how giftable this product is. It comes flawlessly packaged, with attention to detail in both presentation and protection. Whether you're gifting it to someone who loves period dramas, D&D players, history buffs, or creative writers, this scroll is guaranteed to make an impression. Let's not forget the aesthetic. When these scrolls are used in decor, they instantly elevate the look. Pair it with quill pens, old books, or candle stands, and you've got yourself an Instagram-worthy setup. Photographers love using it as a prop for themed shoots, and it's a favorite among cosplayers too. Price-wise, it's also very accessible. For under $20, you get not one but 2 scrolls that feel handmade and thoughtfully designed. And if you need more, Makevivi also offers 1-piece and 3-piece options in similar designs and sizing. So who is this really for? It's for anyone who wants to break away from the ordinary and bring a bit of historical charm into their creative projects. Whether you're crafting something personal or professional, theatrical or heartfelt, this scroll gives you a canvas with character. To wrap things up, the Makevivi 2PC's blank scrolls paper with wood rods is more than just paper. It's a storytelling tool. It's a keepsake. It's a time machine back to when letters were treasured and presentation mattered. And that's why I say it again. This is the best scroll invitation rod set available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into unique and high-quality finds. Until next time, stay creative.